I'm on the way to Namselling for the drone training. So we are having a drone practical today. So it's been like 4 days. So we've been learning how to assemble the maintenance and the repair of the drone, and some theory like the aerodynamics, the principle behind the flying of the aeroplanes, the principle behind the flying of multi-rotor, the different types of drones, and also very important, the significant one is like ADM, aeronautical decision making, which is very important. So it is like to make a decision, in terms of like safety concerns. So that you need to have that kind of thing you need to have learned. Yeah, this is Babisa. So I'm walking on foot towards south, that is at Namselling, where our practical session will be conducted. It's been like 5 to 7 minutes, I guess. I've been walking and probably my friends, he could be waiting out there. So we had a phone conversation, and then we are going to the practical session together. So I guess he's out there somewhere. Well, now we have finally met, so together maybe we'll walk some few steps. Yeah, here he is. So he is Ugindoji.
Yeah, my name.
So he is in a national attire. That is our national dress of Bhutan. That we called it Go.
What do you like, Doma?
And this is what he's chewing. That is the betel nut.
Lime.
Yeah, and the lime, and then some like leaves. He's eating plant. So he wears that black hat. Yes, we have been to Namselling quite a few times, and a few months ago we also did go there, and for the demonstration of the DJI Matrix 300 RTK, that is also one of the DJI's premier enterprise commercial drone. So it is the M300 is built, and it's an improved version of the DJI Matrix 200, which is further enhanced with longer flight times and also increased payload capacity, which has the various like AI, artificial intelligence and other features, So M300 is a complete ecosystem to meet the most demanding enterprise needs. So if I talk about the design, it's designed to work in a challenging environment. It's IP45. Ingress protection means it stays hard at work despite heavier rain, dust or particles. It also operates from -4 degree Fahrenheit to 122 degree Fahrenheit, and the wind speed, it flies through the winds up to like 33.5 miles per hour. So unlikely event of the system failure, and like it has the multiple redundancies are in a place to alert you and help maintain flight. So this drone is magic, it utilizes Android and true FAA technology for the next generation aircraft, which has the anti-collision beacon, 6 directional sensing, positioning sensor, collision advanced, it's very and its detection ranges up to 130 feet, and M300 even allows pilot-to-pilot hand-off, helping to ensure continuous operation through large areas. And I would like to thank Aerotech Bhutan for providing us with such a training, and on behalf of all the trainees, I would like to offer the appreciation for the training. And if you have any drone related work, please feel free to contact them. And here we have Thimphu, sir. So can you tell about yourself? Anything?
So my name is Namselling. Today, so we are having a drone training Namselling. So this is advanced kind of advanced training. So we already did basic training at the Gate Park. So most probably we can fly very confidently.
Yeah.
Of course we can do that.
Thank you. So you have been working in National Land Commission for how long?
Yes, now it's been 18 years.
Wow. Very respect, appreciated.
Long journey.
Yeah.
And until you have to go. I mean, yeah.
Long way to go.
Long way to go.
Yeah. Thank you.
Lots of things.
And here we have Prakash. Okay. And here we have Mr. Kingalode, the operating chief of the topographical division. He's heading the division, and then just now he came as a participant, and he is also learning. So we are working as a team. So yeah, that is Yuntin. Oh, Yenji bro.
Yo, my name is Shenji bro. Yo.
Yeah, nice. And we have Sensis, Chile, Prakash, Doji. We have Audoji, Yelmo, Stringzam, and we have Bus, Aerotech Bhutan. So our instructors. These are the drones that we'll be flying today. This is Yendin Jamso.
At present, we are okay.
But at least we can lead it.
In the field, and then we are about to do some demonstration. So we've been asked to fly the drone and then take some photography. Yesterday in a class we had we studied about the fundamentals of photography. So the different the principles and all. So like aperture, ISO, there's a lot of things like exposure, shutter speed. So we studied about that, and today our task is to fly the drone and then do manual settings of that photography. So we have just geared up for the safety purposes. So I wore the hard helmet, and I also have the fluorescent jacket so that I get noticed and don't get disturbed. So this is the drone that we will be practicing, and this is my team. So actually we've been given with the trainee drone pilot flight log, so we're going to fill up that. So just now we have just thrown the drone and hovering up, and then we are making some settings, and we are making some so just now we are practicing yaw box and roll box, and also the combination of the boxes. that's all for today. So we are just winding up. So we are unpacking the drone. So that's all for today. So again, I think we have tomorrow. So the same thing will be happening tomorrow. So wish me a happy practice. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And also I have a Facebook page, Tech with Thimphu EP. So if you like the video, please like it and follow. So for more exciting videos to come regarding the surveying perspectives and regarding the technologies, the change in technology. So I have more videos to come and to cover. Thank you everyone.